just a quick tutorial on how to fix this DNG issue I'm having. It's meant to be there, but basically I've got these files, I've converted them to a DNG, and I lose the original date that the photo was taken. So what I've got here is some software that's going to replace the information. If I drag this all into a better find attributes, just for now it's just so I can see the information, but you can see it was originally shot 29th of July. And so what I'm going to do is copy this information over to the creation date, and then that way this is all fixed and it's back to how it would be. It should be the 29th of July, so I've already tested it with these 5. So dragging it into a better finder attributes, we're in here, I'm going to set the copy exif content creator to the file creation date, and you can see that gives us like a composite column here. We can see that the photo was taken 11:55, 29th of July. We're going to composite create date here, and that should replace this here. Change date and time, use date time original, that's all fine. Process, all good. Perform changes. So there we go. Now we're back into my originals here, and they're all back to the proper time they were taken. Magic.